morning, class. Before we start our class for this morning, let us all rise and then fast pray. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit, Amen. Father God, thank you for this day that you given to us, especially for the gift of life. Guide us, Lord, in everything we do. Give us wisdom and understanding to our class. And we may successfully impart knowledge for students and we may successfully also learn from this day. For this us to in this name, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, Amen. Good morning, guys!
Good morning, Sir Galor. Good morning, Ma'am Cornelia.
Okay, so you know how to take this seated. Okay, so before we start our class first, let us have to check first your attendance. So kindly say present as I call your name. Okay, let's start first with Atienza, Coronado, De La Lina, Voice absent, nag-absent siya. Milado Spencer, Mahan Jomar, Malapitan, Morales, Nobleza, Orvina Gian, Orvina Kian, Ortega Reds, Partida Joseph, Patindo Jan Cedric, Cabaco Di Carlo, Valiega Mark, Pilar Narina, Ana Avila, Azuelo Claire, Bacolon Mariel, Canovis Paris, Casimero, Fernandez, Flores, Ilarda, Hilado, Magbanwa, Moles, Rulepa, Salmorin, and Saison. Okay. So now, before we proceed, let's have first the reminding of the house rules. As I discussed here in front, kindly first listen to me. And when you have asked questions or you're going to recite the answer, you have to raise your right hand, refrain from talking, and as well as refrain from in and out of classroom. Is it clear, class? Okay, so now, may I ask you, kamusta ka mo from the following days? Is there any problems? Wala? Basta na-stress ka mo, wala man? Wala man ka mo na, na crazy in love with the wala? Wala man? So, overall, it's okay. Okay, so now, before we proceed class, let's have first the review of our topic. But before that, as reviewing our topic today, ito pili na dala ng isang teddy bear. And then, once ang teddy bear, napasa kasi sa katao, ipasapasa niya dapat masapasa. While nagkakapita sa Humpty Dumpty. Pag once nag-stop yung teddy bear, isang kubing, dito Humpty Dumpty, Mama ko, the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang kong tatlo, nakatago na kayo, kami po nakaupo, ikaw naman tatayo. Pag natundo si mo, ikaw naman tatayo, katarasi mo ang barbida, ang teddy bear, ikaw ang sabat sa akong pamangkin. Nakuha? And then, once makasabat ka, you will get a piece of prize or reward kung makasabat ka sa pagpamangkin. Is it clear? Are you all excited?
Yes.
Okay, so kasi no, kung ipasa yung teddy bear man. Okay, pasa ko yung teddy bear ha. Ang mahulog, siya yung manabat kay teddy bear. Okay, ipasa ko yung teddy bear kay. Okay, let's see. Five little monkey, lumpy dumpy. Mama ko, the doctor and the doctor said,
Pagbilang kong tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Kayo po, nakaupo sa bumanyong tumayo.
stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Okay. What was our topic last meeting that I have sent to you of your online class last week? Huh? You didn't know? Surely you didn't know? Okay, who can help? Who can help? What was our topic? Yes. Okay, about Charles law, Galois law, and Boyle's law. Some more. May kulang. May kulang. Kapit-kapit, dapat. Hindi dapat. There are 5 topics that we discussed natin. What was they? Anyone? Okay, ito yung Charles law, Boyle's law, Galois law. There are 2 more. So again, number 1, it starts with letter K and it starts with letter D. Yes. Can you complete the sentence? The 5 topics that we discussed. Okay, very good. So let's clap our hands to Casimero. Okay. Where's the teddy bear? Okay, next questions. Next questions. Ipasa po kay... Ang ato nga last topic last time is about biomolecules. Kung nabasaan niyo itong yung module. Kung nabasaan niyo to yung biomolecules, you can answer these questions. Ipasa ko yung teddy bear. Pwede niyo naman mabalik na lang. Ipasa ko yung teddy bear kay Daylan. Okay, let's sing.
5 little monkeys, Humpty Dumpty. Mama po the doctor and the doctor said, pag di na po tatlo, napatago na kayo. Kayo po nakaupo, tulungan na tumayo.
Please stand up. Stand up, stand up. Okay. What are the 4 biomolecules? Kung nascan yung module, what are the 4 biomolecules? Wala. You didn't know? You didn't read yan, no? The module. Wala kang nascan sa module, guys. You didn't study. Okay, who can help? Who can help or take a rest? Yes, as well up there. Stand up. Okay, very good. So, nag-clap our hands to as well there. Okay. Where's the teddy bear? For the last questions. Okay. For the last questions, for the last questions, ihatag kong teddy bear kay Kevin. Okay, let's sing.
5 little monkeys, Humpty Dumpty. Mama po the doctor and the doctor said, kabila po tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Kaya po nakaupo, tulungan na
Stand up. Stand up. Okay. May I ask you, what is the importance of biomolecules in our daily lives? Ano ang importante sa biomolecules sa ating daily lives? Nagagawa yung biomolecules para sa carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acid. Nagagawa sila. Na? Wala tira sa ating module, wala tira. Answer it in your own. What is the importance of biomolecules in our daily lives? Stand up. Ano? Can you loud your voice? Add your voice. Para kasi. Ha? Okay, it helps us in our body very good. So like we clap our hands to okay, so that was the biomolecules. Nagabulog sa tatong class sa mga body in order for us to help us maintain. Ay kung wala kita kasi biomolecules, siguro sa buong patay kita, wala kita carbohydrates, wala kita protein sa itong lawas, wala kita nucleic acid, wala makita sa lipids. Okay, now, before we proceed class, we have first a game that's called Find Me. Okay, so I have here class on the other side of the board, I have here a chart box. And here in chart box, there are 4 words there that you can find here in the chart box. And again, if you will find the word here in the chart box, you can get again another prize. Four words. You are going to encircle the words that you are going to find in the chart box. Okay. First one, who can go to the board and answer? Yes, Kevin. Encircle the word that you find in the chart box. Okay, chemical, very good. Isa lang. Okay. There are 2 left words to underline. So, what else? Okay. Okay, what is the word? Reaction. Okay, reaction. Very good. There are last one word here. What was the word here? One last word for this chart box. I give you the clue. They are the 4 letters only. 4 letters only. You can go to the board and cross out these words. Yes, roll it. Right, or hindi siya kinatensya sa mga topic. What else? What else? Pwede na siya sa baba, pwede na siya sa dalong, pwede na siya sa kilid, pwede na siya sa kilid. You can go to the board and cross out these words. Same person siya po, some more. Dahil naman nga doon, lalo ka na tao, mag-usap. You can go to the board and answer. Answer the questions. Okay, I give you the clue. My letter is sa ngalan.
Okay, answer.
Yes. Isang muli. Okay, very good. The word, what is the word?
Fire.
Fire. Okay, very good. So, the word fire. Okay, so, these words that I have here in the chart, which is the chemical, oxygen, reaction, and fire, has a relation to our topic for this morning. Okay, so before that, let's proceed to the next activity. So, this time, yesterday, I have grouped you into 3 groups. As you still remember, now please proceed to your groups and prepare your materials. These are the group 1, these are the group 2, and here are the group 3. Kindly proceed now to your group. And then form a circle as well. Form a circle. And then prepare the glass of water. Glass of gas with a plate. mo na yung dua ka baso. And then dua ka pinggan. And listen to my instruction. So this time, let's do the experiment which is called as the bubbles out. Okay, kindly listen first. Minimize talking, kindly listen first to me. Okay, paggawa yung inyong dua ka baso. Natubak na? Okay, so group 1, where's the group 1? Okay, pour out the dami po ng vinegar on the glass. Same as with sa group 3, i-pour out ni yung vinegar sa 2 glass. Ito half lang ha, half lang. Yes, half lang, half lang. That's it. Okay. Same as sa group 3. Sa group 2, pull out. Papaso sa vinegar. And then, I am going to distribute to you materials, which is the vinegar. Ang group 1, ganap na pasin sila. Baking soda and vinegar. So, here's your baking soda. Group 2, here's your baking soda. And then the group 3, here's your baking soda. Okay, pamate. Ang first na baso, i-perform nyo na sa inyong kit of group. And then, you are going to observe kung ano ba nagkakatabo sa vinegar, kag sa baking soda. And after that, you are going to observe, you are going to write your observation here in the Manila paper. And then afterwards, you are going to report here in front and perform as well also the another bottle of vinegar with the chemicals or baking soda that is given to you. Okay, so we'll give you now the Manila paper. And then while performing, I will give you a time, 5 minutes only to perform and answer the following questions. So yung ating na question class natin, yung ating na questions, what is the before and after the reaction of vinegar and baking soda, or what are the after or before the reaction of vinegar and Mentos candy. Butano nila before reaction na kolong, kag after the reaction. Before and after the reaction. Okay, so here's the Mentos candy of group 2 and Mentos candy of group 3. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, kindly open up your baking soda and I will be giving you only 5 minutes to perform in the group about so you may now start. Butan yung Mentos candy sa and then before and after the reaction. Dua. Dungano na dungano. Sa group 3, dungano yung baking soda ko lang Mentos candy. Dungano ang labas niya. And observe, and then after the observation, write it on the Manila paper kung ano man observe before and after the reaction. And then observe kung ano nakatabo, and then write it on the Manila paper kung ano ang nakatabo sa Mentos candy at may vinegar. The same also way to group 1, observe kung nakatabo ka din sa barkay vinegar. Same also sa group 3, observe kung nakatabo ka vinegar at Mentos candy together. Then we start kung ano yung sabi natin yung sabi after. After this. And then yung isa last yung isa nyo lang ang gasto, before kung mismo makakaroon ng report yun. Kasi yung mga classmates. Sa group 1, listen, before kung nakakaroon sa ating sa report, okay, 2 minutes left. Write the observation of your experiment. Ano yung na-observe nyo sa inyong experiment nito? Ano na-observe nyo kay Mentos Candy? Ano na-observe nyo kay Vinegar?
Dito ngayon.
Okay, 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. Okay, 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Work now in the group, and then group leaders collect all the information sa observation. Same also with sa other group. Okay, 55 seconds left. Try ka na siya karoon. So, stop na tayo. Okay, time's up. Okay, time's up now. Go back to your proper seats and arrange all the chairs. Again, go back to your proper seats and arrange all the chairs. And then, in a group where two people na ma-hold sa inyong experiment, and then one reporter and one demonstrator. Arrange all the properties and arrange all the properties. Okay. Are you all done? All done? Okay. So now, let's witness also the reporting of the group 1. So where's the group 1? Proceed here in front, demonstrate your experiment, One na ma-demonstrate, kag one ma-report. One na patanan. Kung sa traffic flow, makatuloy sa pro. Proceed to group 1. Okay, can you listen na? Eyes here and ball. Stop talking. Eyes here and cross. Okay, so now let's hear the report of the group 1 while doing their experimentation. Okay, we will start. Okay, so very good and good job group 1. So let's give them 3 claps and 3 stops. Everyone start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's proceed to group 2. Group 2, you can now proceed. And then perform here. Okay, now let's hear the group 2. You may all stop. Okay, so that's it. So excellent work, group 2. So let's give them an angel clap. So do you know the angel clap? Do you know the angel clap? Yes or no? No? Okay, so I will demonstrate to you the angel clap. So here's the angel clap. 1, 2, 3. Ahu, ahu, ahu. Okay, let's start.
Ahu, ahu, ahu.
Okay, now last group, group 3. Can you screenshot and report your work? Do you
These gases are what causes the eruption in our experiment.
Okay, so fantastic work, group 3. So let's give them a farmer's clap. Do you know the farmer's clap? Do you know the farmer's clap? Okay, so let me demonstrate you first. So, 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, everyone start. Okay, so how does it feel? Kung naka-experiment na ka mo class, how does it feel? How does it feel? Is it fun? Is it excited?
Yes.
Okay, so for me myself, I am also excited to experiencing you the experimentation of the vinegar baking soda because I know a lot of you haven't discovered the actual observation of the experiment. Iban sa inyo nagandang sa TV, kung paano mag-experiment sa baking soda. Pero this time, yakap mo na mismo yung nag-obra. And then, you are very happy and grateful as well nga nakita ninyo yung outcome sa inyong experimentation. So everyone clap your hands, a round of applause for the great. Okay, so now, since we have done our games as well as our experimentation, what was our topic for this morning? In your mind, what was our topic for this morning? Open guess our topic for this morning. Yes, Raylan. Okay, very good. Our topic for this morning was talks about chemical reactions. Okay. Now, chemical reactions is somehow this would be the another topic that is very easy siya nga topic when it comes to chemistry. And here in the chemical reactions, we are discovering also the different elements combined and the elements that has been separated. Now, when we say chemical reaction, it's a process of one or more substances. Like for example, there in your experimentations, you have there one or two substances. These are the vinegar, the baking soda, and the Mentos candy. And then what we're going to do, mix natin sila nga duha. And then sa mix natin sila nga duha, it will react. And that was called chemical reactions. Nag-react sila nga duha. It is because some of the elements or the chemicals that we mix together has the different properties in terms of their atoms, in terms of their mass, and in terms of their properties. Okay. You can read the next stanza. Yes, Risha.
Chemical reactions are also represented by a chemical equation. A chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. There are two parts of chemical equation: the reaction,
Okay, very good. Now, the chemical reactions are represented with a chemical equation. So, when we say class chemical equation, kinahanglan class, na dapat may dapat may formula dapat yung chemical equation or chemical reaction. Teka lang, in mga class na ma-observe kita or ma-experiment kita nga wala sa equation. Do you still remember or naka-observe yung class nga sa mga science laboratory, may aras na dagpo ng blackboard? Nakita ang dagpo ng blackboard sa science laboratory. And then, yung mga dagpo mas na blackboard, especially sa mga science laboratory, pag sa mga scientists, bilatan nila plus binabutang yung mga equation nila. For example, nalimos kasi mga bulong, for example, vaccine, binabutang, ginanyan sa formula, yung mo, yung mag-brush sa vaccine ang mga formula nila. T1 times T1 equals T1 versus T2. Ang muna ginabutang, ginanyan yung formula. Kaya nga naman, very delikado class kung walang binabutang yung formula. Kaya formula, muna klase kasi yan sa mga scientists, as well as sa mga observants, sa mga experiment, ang goal ng ilang mga experiment or observation nila, ang mga tinino, is hindi magpalpak. Ang isa pa, kung wala sa chemical equations, Wala kasing chemical reactions na matabo. Alam ka na magulang ka na sa kinigarda, mali-act na sa yan. Mga ba, naman act na sa basta bukal na lang sa. Pero kung i-try mo yung iba ng mga element, for example, mga Mentos, mga baking soda, na di-observe na siya kung paano siya mag-react. That was the chemical reaction. Okay. Reactants. So who can read? Reactants, yes. Okay. Now, main acid class. Based on our example here, the indirect reactant. Are siya or ano siya? Who says nga indirect? Who says? Who says indirect? Okay. Usually, the reactants are on the left side. Silicon, ari siya oh. These are the reactants. Tandaan na, reactants. Silicon, wala pa siya nag-combine. Para pa sa left side, silicon separated pa siya. Kumbaga, break pa sila maduha. Wala pa sila nag-meet together. Kumbaga, sa elements pa lang, nag-crush-crush pa lang sila maduha. Or nag-aluyagay pa lang sila maduha. Nandun siya. Next. Products. You can read. Voice at the box, si Atienza. Can you read?
Products are the substances resulting from the reaction and presented at the right side of the chemical equation. The reactants and products are separated by another.
Okay. So if this is the reactant, now this is the product. Ano siya yung product last? First na natin sa experiment na kanina, no? Yung mga doon na reactants, ano ba yung reactants gani? Vinegar and baking soda. Now, kung mo i-combine nyo yung vinegar and baking soda, ang matabo, mag-mix na sila class name, siya yung new element, which is hindi mo siya aceto bicarbonate. Na very dangerous na siya class. Ang muna nga is avoid ang pagsimot-simot sa baking soda with vinegar. Because yung mabaho, because of the bicarbonate sa katungod, nagkaroon sila ng main product o sila sa inyong reactants. So this will be the products. Tandaan na, reactants and product. Okay. Now, there are certain symbols used in the chemical reaction. Sa mga symbol, ginagapat siya. Sa symbol sa sila, meron sila ng mga following meaning. First, sa natira isang plus sign. So, kung may makita ka mga plus sign ka sa itong reactants, nag-indicate na siya na added or mix. I-add siya or i-mix siya. First, ang vinegar and baking soda. Ikalawa yung arrow. Ang arrow, kung silimol, ang mga siya yung na-produce na cut ang yields sa inyong maging ibrang experiment. For example, ang vinegar mixing with baking soda. Next, we have also the down arrow. Good silingon, precipitation is 4. So nakita, tingin na sa experiment yun, di ba na-bubbles up? Kasi napalawag na siya, good silingon, nag-precipitate na siya because natapos na yung iyang reaction. Arrows up indicate that gas has evolved. No, di ba? Pag bukod na sa baking soda, nag-asawa siya, di ba? Ano to yung gas na buwa sa may, sa may vinegar. Ganun mo siya yung iyang sign. And then letter S. What's it going to indicate nga yung products or reactants na imong i-produce is a solid form. So, ang solid form na products na i-produce sa experiment is the Mentos. Okay, next. The L designates that the reactants or products are in liquid form. So, yung liquid form sa mga products are what? Ano again? Okay, vinegar. Next, gas. Or letter G, designate reactants are in gas form. So, siya no, pag palagay sa baking soda, nalagay siya produce sa gas or bubbles up. And then aqueous. So, yung aqueous class are the elements also Kamakita niyo sa klase ng periodic table. So sa periodic table, there are aqueous elements. Na for example, yung wala yung mga chemicals na made in water, like methane, mga ano ba yun, mga bicarbonate, mga sodium. There are the aqueous elements. And then arrows up, or arrows na nabago na siya, indicates that the heat is supplied. Kung makita na sa mga tubes to go, kung nagpapatubes to go pag mo, may alam na sila class na symbol sa ilang open, nagpapamit na open, silingon, init-init na siya. So kung may makita ka kung symbol ng gamon na open, please hindi nyo pag-catch. Because mapasok na yung mga pangol, kay tungod ka, mga siya class ka, init-init, kag ginaya ma-irritate yung maya ang yung mas muli. Okay. So, gets lang yung mga symbols. Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Now, there are the 6 types of chemical reactions. May nakita nga 6 types. So, the first one are the combination or synthesis. So, when we say combination or synthesis, adding of 2 or more elements to combine to form a single product. For example, we have here the sodium plus chlorine is to produce as sodium chloride. Okay, very good. Sodium chloride. So, ano yung general equation? A plus B equals to AB. Tandaan ha, when we say combination, ang muli yung equation. Okay, next. Decomposition. So when we say decomposition, breaks down of the elements. So meron na makita din na general equation or general formula. So kaginaya class, meron din ginayang AB plus B is equals to AB. So kung niya, disintegrate natin sila, naging break natin sila. Okay, so meron ka din ang general formula. AB is produced by A plus B. Kasi mismo sila yung breakdown, that was called decomposition. Okay. Kung may decomposition, may aral naman na single replacement. So when we say single replacement, a substance ang siya class, but capable siya of replacing some atoms sa given compound. Kumbaga, kaya niya mag-inis ang pares niya. Kaya niya mag-inis, kaya niya pagpalit sa iba. So, may nagiging kasi ng general equation. AB plus C. So, si AB, no? AB una, plus C, una mapares ni A, si B. And then, sa producing, lalagay ng pares ni A. Si C ni pares, kag si B is, yan naman yung bayaan. Yung bayaan. Pasubo, no? So, muna siya yung formula ni single replacement. Tandaan nyo din ha, yung formula niya ha. Okay, next. We have the double replacement. So, when double replacement, ions get exchanged. So, may exchange naman sa ions. So, for example, here in our general formula, we have AB plus CD is equals to AD plus CD. Ano yung class nga? Anong class nga changes? Nagano sila? Nagano? Di ba, di na palisay sila? Nagano sa dun sa next? Okay, nagsiwag sila partner. Pag inay na kita gawa sila partner, subo yun nagsiwag naman sila partner. Kumbaga, nag-exchange gift sila partner. Okay, so may nakita din nga general formula. We have here the EgNO3 plus NgCl. So, nag-produce sa into AgCl, nag-by din si Cl dire, and then si Mg napabilin, pero nag-impose lang sa ni NO. Naalala ko yung 3, it is because when we convert into conversion of mass, especially sa mga balancing, natulad rin sa 3 kaya para mag-balance sila class. Ay kung maaari din si 3, hindi na balance yung element. Kung silimon, example ng lubok ko siya green, tumod kayo doon nag-over siya sa mga ions na alam sa iyong mga element. Okay, next. We have the combustion reaction. Okay, so combustion reaction wherein oxygen gas combines with hydrocarbon So yung hydrocarbon gas, makita nyo natin sa mga apple woods. And as well as sa mga pharma natin. So here the general formula, CnHn plus O2 is equals to carbon dioxide plus water. So here are the picture of the combustion reaction. Now, try to observe this picture. So here are the CnH3. Kag yung anika sa yung black na rin mo, these are the water. Water vapor siya. Di mo sila mo nang nagsubak ka or para sunod ka sa tawon. Para sunod ka sa tawon, dapat dapat yung oxygen, di ba? Kasi nasa kanila ko, di ba kanila, o takulong ng kanila, di ba mapatay sa iba, dito sa oxygen. Same as din sa palayo, dapat yung oxygen sa klase may carbon dioxide. Kaya nga naman, kung combine ang klase yung hydrogen sa carbon dioxide, it will make it as water vapor. So, yung acid plus na nagano'ng 5 class, makita nyo na plus kung magpano kung gabo ka mo, may acid din ang nagawin yung nipis, dahil sa siya na nipis, that was water vapor, sa tubig na siya. Pero hindi na siya purely na tubig, kundi na siya ng tubig na nalinis ito sa kahoy. That's why yung mga kahoy, kasi yung mga tubig na sila class, at kung once pa inipod, masasala sila sa meron, sa nikalan, magano ka pa na magabo ka, may nagabukal mo pa doon yung tubig. Because nag-react yung gas yung palayo sa oxygen kag sa carbon dioxide. So, good what? Okay. Next, acid-base reaction. So, these are the special kinds of double replacement reaction that takes place when an acid and base react. So, in general, the products and the reactants are salt and water. Tubig kag acid. So, here an example. These are the hydrochloride and as well as the nitrogen oxide. So, nag-produce sila into H2O plus sodium chloride. So, yung hydrogen chloride is acid base. High acid siya class. Yung sodium oxide is base. Tandaan na, naging mo siya class na base class because siya yung nagkuha ng electron acid. Once makalga din yung electron, sa isa ka nag-med, may mo siya space. Pag yung wala electron, may mo as acid. Nakuha? Okay. Now. Okay, so this time, in order to deepen your knowledge class, they ask you the following questions with the same price as well. Now, based on our discussions about the chemical equations, can you give me the example sa mga everyday na mahimo nato na ma-relate nato sa chemical reaction? Can you give me some specific activities, mga activities yung ginahimo na ma-relate nato yung topic nato chemical reaction? Wala kami connection man sa chemical reaction. Open guess? Yes? Hands up, hands up. Mag-open sa gasol. Pwede man, yes, pwede man siya. Dog. Okay, pag-init sa tubig, pwede man gas. What else? Maganda kita ko itong iba na natin. And also in our body, meron matang chemical reactions. Meron ka po. For example, ano? Nagano ka mo kung aga. Nagano ka mo. Except sa nagapangapi, nagano ka mo. Wala nagapangahaw. Eating foods. Naman, kaya eating foods class, pag once ma-digest, sa naman sa mga tao sa stomach, nag-digest na siya. And then, once mag-adult siya sa mga stomach, nag-react ang stomach. Ano ba, Gil? Okay, napot ano? Okay, very good. Taking medicine. Taking medicine is also best man example sa chemical reaction. Nga because yung bulong class nga itong gina-intake, pag once makadula siya class sa itong na stomach, nag-react siya na yun. Most especially na sa class, mag-react ang bulong kung ang bulong is made in capsule. Kilala ka mo sa capsule ng bulong? Ano ba yung tsura sa capsule gani? Ha? Anong tsura sa capsule?
Long.
Yung may panito siya, di ba? May panito siya. Once glass, ito naman siya glass, dalo-dalo siya, di ba? Kagwas mo ka siya sino, mas tama, malupok siya na yun niya, kag magaling matunaw. Dapat siya matunaw yung glass. Kung yung mga sa ikapikapon, dugay siya dapat, dugay siya magaling dumakon niya, dumakon niya. Pero once doon mo siya, kaya naman siya sa acid, especially kung may mga acidic, ang mga sa balay, mga acidic, kailangan mga chemical, like mga sinigang sa banyo na bala, mga Domex, mga muna, or Domex, once it-mix mo na siya sa bulong, matunaw na siya yung bulong because grabe yung acid, kaya nagkakaano siya kasi nakatunaw sa acid. Okay, some more, don't forget, sa mga relationship, no, di ba, pero sa mga relationship, no, for the single displacement, no, sabi mo, pag mga sa partner mo, tapos ibutan na may advance ka na sa program di ba? Na-feel niya man na, no, kung na-feel mo na, kung sa single displacement ka, di pinagpagit ka, or meron man yung combination ka, for example, like crush ka bisa tiyak na section, hindi nga naman siya ging-court mo to siya, and then naging gamo na maduwas, so kung singon, combination na kamo. Or, pwede ba na kung may kabit ka maniga, kung may kabit ka maniga, may nabyo man, tapos sa ulo, maninog sa niya, nag-exchange kang partner nga duwa, kung siningon ninyo, ang reaction is double displacement. Na. Amo na siya. Pag when it comes sa friendship man, no? Sa friendship, no? Are you listening sa likod?
Yes.
Pamati. When it comes sa friendship man, meron class na reaction. For example, nung hinaway kung sa imong amiga, sa imong mga best friend, kung ano gusto, kaya nga, for me na siya, money, siya dapat pamatikan. So, natin composition, kamo nag-iwalay na naman mga kayo, hindi ka nakasama. So that was also the example of the chemical reaction. But we also, na ma-relate mo natin sa atin na everyday lives natin as a person. Okay, now, in order to widen your knowledge class, I have here a chart box or chart ladder. Okay, chart ladder. Yung siya nga sa chart ladder. And then, here in the ladder, you are going to identify kung ano class na klase reaction ang R&D. So, for example, may makita ko din ang card and then makita ko lang siya kung hindi mo siya nakita. For example, acid base, makita mo sa acid base, i-base mo sa dalawang silangalan ang correct niya nga answer. Okay, first one, we have the acid base reaction. So, based on the chart ladder, this is acid base reaction. Okay, go to the board and face the answer. Okay, go to the board. The end. The end is the acid-base reaction. Okay, go to the board and answer. Go to the board, hands up. If you want to answer. The end. Correct si Claire or hindi? Okay. That was wrong. Hindi siya mayroong acid base. Open help, Claire. Open help. Open help. Acid base reaction. Uy, pag double is set, wala ng acid base. Ano sa chart ladder? Yes. Go to the board and face the answer. Right or wrong?
Right.
Okay, very good, correct. So that she was right. Acid-base reaction. Okay, next. We have the combustion reaction. So here, based on the chart ladder, DNA ang combustion reaction. Combustion reaction. Hindi siya. Who can go to the board and ace the answer? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Is she right or wrong? Right or wrong? Who says right? Who says wrong? Okay, that was wrong. This is not a combustion. Who can help? Who can help? Silver sa hapon. How about the boys on the other side? Who can help? Yes. Okay, is it right or wrong? Okay, very good. That was right. This was the combustion reaction. Okay, next. Next reaction is the double displacement. Okay, go to the board and answer the double displacement based on our chart another. Double displacement. Yes, Rachel. Okay, is it right or wrong?
Right.
Okay, very good. That was right. This was the double displacement. Okay. Next. Single displacement. Who can go to the board and answer the single displacement? Yes. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay, who can help her?
I don't know.
Yes, the Beza. Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. Decomposition. Who can find to the board the decomposition reaction? Boys at the back. Who can answer? There are two chart left. This is a dua yung decomposition. Oh yes, dyan sa break. Go to the board and base your answer. Is Joseph correct or not?
Correct.
Okay, correct. So, clap your hands to Joseph. Okay, and the last one is, ano na siyang reaction? Combination reaction. Okay. So again, what are the 6 types of reaction?
Combination, acid-base reaction, decomposition, single displacement, double displacement, combustion.
Okay. So, nag-gets na? Okay. Are you all excited sa ating next activity? Which is the quiz time. So in order for us to nourish your understanding and to test your understanding as well, kindly prepare your ball pen and then answer these 5 items test. I will be giving you only 5 minutes to answer, and after the 5 minutes, finish or unfinished, you are going to pass your papers to me. Okay. Timer starts now. Yes. Okay, 2 minutes left. One minute and 55 seconds left. Perfect. One minute left. Seconds left. Okay. Time's up. Both hands up. Both hands up. Then pass your papers forward. So what papers are na? Okay, so let's check your word. Okay, checkin yung word kung chapter pala. Okay, so now, number 1 questions. Which of the following is an example of combination reaction? So, ano din yung answer?
D.
D. Letter A, B, C, or D?
D.
Letter
D.
The correct answer is letter D. A and D are same. Same combination reaction. Okay. Number 2. Which type of reaction is represented by the following chemical reactions? Okay, di ba may natin yung mga isa to represented yung chemical reaction. So, ano to siya mga type of reaction dito? Is it combination, decomposition, single replacement, or double replacement? What is your answer?
D.
This is letter D. Or this is letter C. Kung answer mo C is you are correct. That was single replacement. Okay, number 3. What general equation represents a decomposition reaction? So we have 3 more choices. Letter A plus B equals to AB. A plus BC equals to AB plus C. Or letter C, AB plus equals to A plus B. Or letter D, AB plus CD is equals to AB plus CB. What is your answer here?
C.
So nag-answer letter C. Okay, if you answer letter C, then you are correct. Okay. Last, number 4. Which of the following is an example of the double replacement reaction? Palagay niyo answer. Who says letter A? Okay. If your answer is letter A, then you are correct. Okay. And last but not the least, number 5. What common element is needed to produce water and carbon dioxide? If your answer is oxygen, then you are correct. Okay. So, kamusta yung inyong score today? 4. Okay, so we will find out it later on. So, pwede check. Okay, so I know some of you have a lot well discussed this morning about chemical reactions. So, before we proceed for that, copy first your assignment. So, in a piece of feedback paper, make a spider diagram showing different chemical reactions. So, there are the rubrics here. We have the original chemistry 5 points. We have the details and information 5 points. And we have also the neatness of work 5 points. A total of 15 points each. Okay, copy that first. Nakaki ng class? Okay, we'll give it to copy sorry na. Okay. Ayun lang ako. And then if others cannot make it copy today, you can share it with your classmates kung alam sila. And for that said, that's all our lessons for today. And I would like to say, for the last time, I would like to say thank you and goodbye, class.
Yay!